The Royal Financial Investment Group. This is Prince Dykes here coming to you guys with another great video. This video I'm making to give my opinion on the Dow Jones and all the crazy stuff that's going on in the world right now, especially with Greece. That's the hot topic right now. What's going on in Greece about the default and China's having a major sell-off on Monday here, June 29th. Those two big things drove the Dow Jones down today, 300 points, pretty much taking all the wins away from this year as far as the Dow Jones index. Now, let's break that on down to simple man terms and quit all the big talking and tell you what I believe is going on here. So, of course, we all know what's going on in Greece. They're having a hard time, and they're probably going to end up possibly defaulting, right? So I told you yesterday, if you paid attention to my video about Greece, what I did was I brought puts against their major index, and by the end of the day yesterday, if you had listened to that video, you'll be a happy person too, because you at least made a 10% return on your investment just after that day if you just clicked off my video and did exactly what I said I was going to do. Now on the other side, other thing I noticed, the Dow Jones, it dropped 300 points. Now all I think, as you can look at my chart here, I have the Dow Jones pulled up. When I look at this, I'm like, okay, why do you think people sold? Why did the Dow Jones drop 300 points? If you really think about it, why did it drop? Why are people selling off like crazy? Emotions, fear. They saying, okay, oh my God, Greece is going down and China's going down. So people may think they may lose their money. So those risky investments, those things they became very bullish on, because you know the U.S. stock market right now is scorching hot. So what happened when everything is going up? People buy more when they think everything is going up. But as soon as they see any kind of crack in the foundation, what are they going to do? They're going to start selling. And that's what called the massive sell-off. And that's what caused the Dow Jones to drop 300 points, in my belief. Now, all I think this is what I like to call a slingshot. You know what a slingshot is? You know how in order to make a slingshot work, you must put a rock on it or whatever you're trying to sling off. And you got to pull it back, right? And then you let it go. And it's boing, and that rubber band or whatever bounces back. And I think this whole Greece thing, wrapped in with people emotions and all the other good stuff, is pulling Dow Jones down. Pull all the way down to 17.5 where it closed at today. 17,500 where it closed at. Pulled all the way down. And guess what? When this whole Greece thing, when they finally bail it out or whatever happens, the Dow Jones is going to sling right back up to 800 like a scorching hot rocket. Don't believe me? Listen. This thing is going to jump right back up to 1800 within probably the next week or two. Next week or two, all they're doing is waiting on some more good news. It's emotions that's pushing the market right now more than anything. People are scared. They see banks closing. When someone says, you know, Greece is they're saying, hey, our bank is closed, our stock market is closed, our ATM, people only can draw 60 euros. That caused pandemonium immediately. And when other people see that, what they do, oh my God, you know, they don't think about what they have on hand. They start selling. And all I see when I start seeing red, I start seeing stuff on sale. This is what I live for. This is a gold mine. Like I told you guys on the video yesterday. I said, hey, go against the Greek market. You're probably up right now. Now, go ahead and get on that Dow. Wait for it to sling back up. Might not sling back up today, not tomorrow, but it's going to creep its way right back on up to 1800. Don't believe me? Just watch. I just want to share it real quick. Well, before I even get into it, just look at the chart here. You know, this is a 6-month chart of the Dow Jones. DJX, if you want to follow along. And here's that. Make sure I got today in there. Yep, today's in there. So when you look at this big. This is the support line, right? You know, this is the resistance up here. Look at the support line. It done pushed through the support line, all out of fear. Everybody's dumping their stuff. Has nothing to do with what's going on in the USA. Everybody's fearful right now. When everybody's fearful, that's when you get greedy, my friend. Because guess what? The yellow line is the moving average. This thing is going to be right back up in here, guarantee you. How you can take advantage? It's a couple bullish spreads you can do. You can get yourself some calls. You can sell puts. But hey, just wait for the bounce back. You want to buy some stock? Grab you some more. If you had a stock and it went down, double up. Anyway, that's my take. To the next video, you guys know what to do. Be safe. Don't forget about what's to learn to invest in stores now. Peace.